Goedemorgen. Good morning. Ano ngayon? Friday. Oh, I get it right.
Yeah,
It's Friday and we are already in Belgium, but we are on our way to Brussels. So yeah, wala po si Ana. Ana is with Oma and yeah, Lola. With Lola. And yeah, mga ano pa 49 minutes and then we will get to the destination. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga pupuntahan namin mga attractions. So, kita-kita later. So, we are already at Brussels. And then my
Zelf je mask kan, ja.
kailangan namin nag-ano kami kanina, nag-bus. And then the funny thing was, we just got on the bus. And then we didn't buy a ticket. We thought we could just, we could just
Pay in
use
the bus.
our pin naman, pass or the card.
Belgium now is different with corona.
Yeah. Wala. Naghantay kami kung kailan tayo magbabayad. Ang sabi doon, nag-search ako dali-dali sa internet na pwede magbayad or you can buy the ticket on the bus itself. But wala. So we thought, maybe we can just buy when we get off. But then, wala guys. So, free ang aming bus. And it's pretty far, yeah? It says 2 euro, I think po.
Oh.
Yeah, but anyways, andito na kami. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung first destination namin. Nasa isang kami, church. So nice.
That's really nice.
Pay for your bus, oy. Pay for the bus.
You sorted it out, you pay.
Pipicturean ko si Ruth, guys. Pero may tao pa, so wait ko na lang muna na umalis sila. So, kakain na kami guys. Naglakad-lakad na kami ng mga, I think, more than an hour. We've been walking for like more than an hour to. And then, we're at the center now. Ang super nice ng mga terrace dito. And we found a Vietnamese and also Thai restaurant. So, we're gonna have Vietnamese food. We came to Belgium. We came to Brussels to eat Vietnamese food. Yan. Pho da daw?
Fa.
So, nag-order na kami. So, we're just waiting. But, yeah. Ik ben blij. I'm happy kasi Vietnamese po yung yung, I don't know if she's the owner, but yung kumuha ng order namin, she spoke in a bit of Vietnamese. So, yeah. Sabi ko sa kanya, I lived in Vietnam for almost 3 years. Yan. It's like, how do I say it in English? I forgot the term. Nostalgic. It's nostalgic. Yeah. So, nakakamiss kasi ang Vietnam, no? Like I mentioned in my previous vlogs, we always talk about Vietnam and we would always talk about going back to Vietnam. Diba? Yeah. So, we ordered pho. Ruth got the big size.
Yeah.
And then nag-order din kami na dim sum.
Is it also typical Vietnamese dim sum?
Yeah, it's Chinese.
Okay.
But are you excited for your father?
Yeah, I'm excited, yeah. I ate the pho a while ago in Rotterdam. I had a
Oh
pho.
yeah, in Rotterdam we also had Vietnamese food. But this one, I think it's authentic Vietnamese. I hope.
At least he's Vietnamese. But in Rotterdam, he was not Vietnamese.
Yeah. Yun, so kain muna kami.
Eat an European way, bang.
We have chopsticks, but so tapos na kami doon sa Vietnamese restaurant. Was your pho good, Bang?
Really good.
Yeah, really good. And yeah, it was nice. The broth was nice, but then the meat was not so tender.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
The meat was not so tender, but then it
But
was
the rest
okay.
was good.
Yeah, it was okay. And we're going to another church.
Grand place.
Yeah. Super ganda niya. Uy! Hindi ko... Grabe, ang ganda. Look at that. Oh my God. It's super, super ganda. Oh my God. Super nice. May nakita akong mga Pinay doon. Taas niya. My video doesn't really do justice kung gaano kaganda yung lugar. Super ganda. Super. Yeah. Super duper nice. Super nice. Are you dizzy?
Almost. No, I only had one beer, so that's not.
Super nice. Yeah. So, ang tawag nila dito, manicapis or yun, umiihi siya. I'm not sure why famous siya, pero ang liit-liit niya. Ang daming pumupunta dito. Ang liit-liit lang niya. Dito yung mga tao. Tapos may nilalagay silang mga bulaklak dito.
Yeah?
Are you happy that you've seen manicapis now?
He's celebrity of Belgium.
This little guy. Super nice ang view. Yeah, nice. We're on our way to the Royal Grand Palace, but then we saw this one and it's so nice. I love Brussels.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah.
And also in Moscow.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
We're on our way to Atomium. Nasa metro po kami. Hindi na ako mag-vlog dito. Nakakahiya man. So, andito na kami sa, sa next destination. We're going to check out, Atomium. Kami pumunta dito. Tapos, dahil dyan. Yan. So, ayan na. Hindi kami pwedeng pumasok doon. So, dito lang kami. Yan, medyo dumadami na yung tao. Malaki kasi yung parking space dito.
Biggest landmark of Brussels.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, this and Mancopis.
So, pagkatapos nito, babalik na kaming center. And then, kakain kami ng Belgian fries and waffles.
Waffles, yeah. Of course.
Yeah. So, yeah. Dito pa rin kami. And we were gonna go up there. Punta ka talaga sa taas. So, you can see the view. But then, I don't think... He also doesn't think it's worth 16 euro. 16 euro. So, 32 euro yung dalawa. Magkano ba yan? Hindi ko alam magkano yun. Pero medyo mahal man siya. Sabi niya, pupunta lang daw kami sa taas. Tapos bababa. Ayaw niya. So, babalik na lang kami sa center. Mag-frit and waffle kami doon. May bango na surut.
Baka na shoot.
Umu-order si Ruth ng ng waffles. We should try it here. Ayan, ito na yung frit namin. But you can't really see. Oh. And then mag-waffle kami later.
We do a challenge. Then we'll pop it fast, then we
Kain.
win. Then we'll pop it first, then win. Ready? Then go.
Lekker?
Erg lekker. Maar ik kan ook
Because of this.
in Nederland eten.
We need to
Yeah.
pop.
Not, it's Belgium, but not the Belgian fries that I really think of
But
Belgium,
good.
not the big ones and
But good.
difficult to eat with that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's popular, that thing, but
But you can maybe take this one.
No, can we back?
No,
no,
you can eat.
it's. Maar Lies is goed.
No.
Heel goed idee.
I like Brussels, yeah.
There is the central station. Hier zien we de fries. Hier is de Waffle House. En hier is like a square. So it's nice.
So guys, bumalik kami dito sa square. Ito, di ba? See? Yung Grand Palace pa ba? It's busier now.
Grand Place.
Mas busy ngayon.
Grand Place, we call it.
Yan, gusto ni Ruth yung golden building
I
yan.
don't know if you can see it on the video.
Yeah, you can. But this one is really, really nice. Oy, bati man. Yan, super nice niya. I think it's the best place I've been to so far sa mga napuntahan ko. I don't know, no? Pero mas fresh kasi ngayon ang memory. So, yan. Wow, nice kay Dodong.
Yeah.
Super nice. So, I really love this place. I love Brussels because of this place. So, if ever you come to Brussels in Belgium, then I recommend this place. You have to see this place. And for sure, pag ginugol nyo, unang makikita nyo, dito siguro yung first na
I think it's
i-recommend.
nicer than Mannekepis.
What?
It's nicer than Mannekepis.
Ang manikipis na yung yung maliit na bata na umiihi ba? Mas maganda ba daw ito? Kasi
You didn't film it?
tumatawa. Yeah, I did. Tumatawa siya kanina kasi maraming tao. Tapos nothing special daw. Sabi ko, attraction kasi siya. So, kaya maraming tao. Diba? Cute naman. Pero sobrang maliit talaga siya. So, yeah, after nito, magwa-waffle na po talaga kami. It's super, super, duper, duper nice. I'm not sure if you can really see clearly how beautiful the place is, but it's really, really nice. And nagko-complement yung cloud sa kanya. Super nice.
You're gonna order some waffles. So in Belgium you should eat waffles, of course.
That is Nutella and nuts.
I'll go for this one.
Okay, sure. Is that everything?
Yeah.
€10.97. Do you think of this song? Like it? I really found it crazy album. You guys will love it.
ordered two. I thought she would do one because she wants to share because she's not so hungry, but
We're just waiting now for our
yeah.
waffle. Waffle from this shop, and root has strawberry with chocolate or Nutella.
Waffle with chocolate. Oh, Nutella, yeah? I thought
Yeah,
it was
that's
chocolate.
Nutella.
Nutella, high five.
Tapos na yung aming waffle, grabe ang sarap. I said it's really good.
Yeah, it's
Lekker.
lekker. It's really good, yeah.
So this one here, really really good. Hindi ko na ipinakita sa vlog guys kasi nakaupo kami dito. Wala siyang lalagyan ba sa camera, so but it was really good. Magkano na ba yan? Oh, mga 10 yata, almost 11 euro dalawa.
Yeah, but we only.
But like I
once,
told him, we don't come here often, so might as well, diba? Nice pa na aking nails from Sheila.
I
Oh,
met
by
other Filipinas
Sheila.
here.
Huh?
So other
And
Filipinas.
yeah, first when we went to the frit shop or yung sa fries, I saw a Filipino family. So nag-usap kami, taga ano daw sila, taga Mao yung Ilocano, tapos yung lola, yung babae na nakausap ko, taga Surigao. And then when we went to the square, yung sa ano yun? Grand Palace,
Grand Place.
a Grand Place. So the Grand Place, we saw another group of Filipinos, and then yeah, they said they live here. So I don't think they'll see this vlog, but anyway, it was nice. So ganun talaga no pag magkita yung mga Filipino sa ibang country ba. First thing is nagtinginan, tas mag-nod ka or mag-smile yun. Super ganda ng feeling, diba? This place is really nice. I like Brussels. Are we coming back here, Dodo?
Here.
Yeah, Brussels. Or
Yeah,
other parts of
other
Belgium.
parts, other
Other parts of
cities.
Belgium.
Maybe we come back, but
Yeah. We will come back for the waffles.
that's it.
So, I think I'm gonna close this vlog because, yeah, we're gonna drive. I mean, now we're not gonna drive,
we go
but
to the metro.
we'll go back to the central station and then take a train back to the parking lot.
Metro.
We'll take the metro,
Yeah.
subway.
Subway, yeah,
Yeah,
subway. Yeah.
we take the subway back to the parking lot and then we'll drive for 2 hours to get home. So, salamat sa pag...
And then we go to Anna.
No, Oma's gonna... I'm sorry with Oma.
Oh, and then we not go to be to Anna. Then
Yeah,
we just go.
we see Anna tomorrow. But anyway, salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito sa Brussels, Belgium. Yeah, so salamat sa panonood and kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod na vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Babush mush mush.
Mush babush.
Mush mush babush.